All right, we're getting ready to make some smash burgers. Well, we've made them before on here, we know. Let me go ahead and crank it up here. All right, so anyways, we're gonna let that warm up and we'll be back, or heat up. And while we're waiting for that to heat up, we have our hamburger. I have them in balls here. We're gonna make a smash burger, have onions there. I guess it'll also be a bit of a onion burger. And got my spatulas. This is how I use it. I put this and smash them. Does a good job. When that gets heated up, we'll get into it. We'll be back. All right, we're gonna put a little bit of oil down, not a whole lot. Kind of give it a fighting chance there. 370. All right, hopefully that won't be too bad. I think that might be pretty good. Okay, now we're gonna take it down. And we're gonna smash them down for about 10, 12 seconds, probably longer the better maybe, I don't know. Now we'll pull it back. Let's get this one here. Looking pretty good. Let's put another one on here. Put it down there. Okay. And another one right here. And we might as well do that last one, hey? Let's see. Put it over there. All right. Yeah, we got all of our burgers on there smashed. Now, I'm not going to put them directly on it yet. I will eventually. But that's what I was wanting. Ah, yeah. Now we're going to move this over. About like yay. Just do that. That's a little. Oh, that char, I tell you. Oh yeah. Let's flip that over. Set these to the side over here. All right. This is coming along. We got our buns down. Got 4 of them down. I guess I can put the other 2 down, huh? Get them going. Got this here sizzling. Oh, looking good. You're looking good. Let's put one of these here. I'm going to put these on there. Two. Yeah, there's those. And then we have our extras. Now, so now, there's our Smashburgers. Yep. Now we just got to go in and build them. Now I got to tell you, that looks pretty good. Tater tots. Wife made some potato salad and a nice Smashburger hamburger. Hey, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, I hope you consider subscribing.